Hello guys, my name is Alan Paul, your 16CA006, and today we're going to do our second experiment in the web technology lab using CSS. We have the basically similar as in the first experiment. As for creating a web page, we have a simple layout, which is the HTML, the head and the body, and then we have to close each and every tag we open. So let's start. In the header tag we have the title as home, and in the body then we'll close the head, and then we'll open the body tag. So in the body tag we are using audio. So audio tag is basically used to add audio to your web page. So using audio, so we can use audio tag to add audio to our web page. So like the source, we have to just give the source of the web page, source of the audio, and using source, so src is equal to the name of the audio and the type. We can just put an audio into our web page, and then we'll close the audio tag. Then we have another tag called style. Using style we can create, or we can make our web page more dynamic and more vibrant, so that it can appeal to more users. So in the like we have just given how the letter should be inside our web page. So now we'll close style, and then we'll open header, and in the h1 tag we have the name Karunya University. Similarly for Karunya University, and then we give a is equal ahref, that is for giving ahref is basically the HTMLs. And then in HR we are putting the image. So we are, you as in the first, as told in the first experiment, or explained in the first experiment, for the image we use the image tag, and we give the source of the image and the name of the image, and then we can adjust the size and width of the images as well. And then we are giving audio autoplay, that is whenever we open our web page, we can use the audio will play automatically. And then on the door healer, that is just the name of the audio, etc. Then we are creating a table, not the table, we have we put we are putting this text into our web page. And then we have already given some style. So we are just giving the text that is to be there in the web page, and creating and closing the unordered list. So like after giving that, we are closing the table and everything. And this is the basic text which is used to make the which is used to create the web page. So we'll go to the web page. So here we can see that as we have given it is a text. The name of the header is home, and then we have Karunya University. We have a YouTube link here, and then we have the map which we had put inside. So putting the map, we are putting this web here, and the admission page, that is a form, and then the calendar here. So we can see here we have home, admissions, academic calendar, and then we have the Google map here. So we can go, when we go to admissions, we have already created a form. So we can see the form here which says we can enter the name, application number, password, date of admission, etc. And then we have the academic calendar, which shows the academic calendar for the present year that we have put. So this is the academic calendar. Thus the experiment has been completed successfully.